What's up YouTube? It's your girl Jamilah Arielle and I'm back with a new video. I'm just gonna hop right into it with my hair mask. This is from Shea Moisture. I bought this a while ago. This is my first time using this. I just figured since I'm gonna do a protective style, why not go the extra mile to keep my hair protected. And this mask helps stimulate growth and end breakage. Well, not end breakage, but help to fix breakage. And I use a lot because what natural hair person really uses a dime amount of hair product? Let's just be honest, like nobody does. Don't lie to yourself. Did you see how much I put on my hand? That was a lot for one section. And I just want to show you all that I have really bad heat damage on this side of my head. Like, it's really bad. That's usually the side that I get my parts on if I get leave out, and I only get leave out if I have like a bob, or like that one time I had the sew in. Anyways, okay, and now I am back with my freshly washed hair. That's how much hair I lost. I lost a good amount of hair. And so I'm gonna comb my hair out. I'm gonna spray it with this No More Itch Girl spray. And yeah, that's about it.
On the beat.
Alright, and I'm back with my freshly blow dried hair. As you can see, your girl got a head full of hair. Not bald head at all. Bald head where? Ponytail, yes. What? Where? Bald head where, sis. Boom. But I'm just finna blow dry my hair one more good time to get any knots and tangles out, so it'll be easier for my mom to part my hair. And yes, I'm getting my mom to part my hair because I can't see the back of my head, so yeah. And the hair that I'm using is Free Tress crochet hair, and it's in the color 33. And I got 7 packs, and they were $7.99 each. And it's called Water Wave and 22 inch. Okay, and the products you will need are rubber bands, an edge control of any kind. I chose Eben 24-hour edge control, and this one is scented. It's candy apple. It smells really nice. Nice. Okay, and I got my mom to part my hair, and the parting method that she used was on the bottom row she started off with 3, then on the next row she went to 4, and then we started doubling them. Like, she did 5 and 5 and 6 and 6, and she just went up. But I told her to do that because I already knew what I was doing. But yeah, that's how I parted it. And when I parted them, I just put edge control around, like, it's a square, so I put it at the top, on the sides, and on the bottom. Brushed it, put a rubber band around it. Boom, move on to the next. Okay, next I'm going to start the twist. And what I do is, in the pack, the hair is already separated into little sections. And you're going to take 2 of those sections and use it on one braid, and then you're going to kind of comb it out or fan it out however you want to. And then you're going to start off as a braid, but you're not going to do the whole thing as a braid. I would say do it about 3 times, and then you're going to separate the hair into the braiding hair and then do a twist. So start it off as a braid, not as a complete braid, and then separate it and twist it. I will go into more depth. I'm just telling you how I did this one. So you're gonna want to make sure that the hair is combed out. And I didn't do it on these, but well, yes I did, I just did it. But I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on the ends because my ends of my hair are really poofy. So in order to get that hair to stay down, I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel on the ends to keep it intact. Okay, so when you're doing this twist, you want to make sure that, well, first of all, when you part it, you want to make sure that you don't have a piece that's too big, because it's going to end up like that one that I just showed you, and you don't want it to happen because your real hair is going to be sticking out of the twist. And if it is like that, just try and gel it down as much as possible, because I mean, you can't change the part. I didn't have enough hair to change my part, but if you do have one like that, just make sure that it's one of the ones in the back. If it's like that in the front, then put one in the back kind of smaller, and then the one in the front, use more hair on that one, if that makes any sense. Like the little piece of hair that's right there, that's my smallest one, and it pulled the mess out of my edges. So I used as little braiding hair as possible, and it still turned out really well. Y'all don't know, but it was like maybe 2 or 3 in the morning I was recording this video, so I was tired. Bear with me. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I would say it looks pretty good. Mind you, now this is my first time ever doing these, like ever, not just on myself. This is my first time ever doing these, and I would say for my first time I did a pretty good job, guys. I got lots of compliments on them. But one problem I did have with these was that I had kind of a gap in the back. But it was probably because I couldn't see the back of my head. That's probably why. Like right there, I didn't like the fact that I had a gap in the back at all. But I still like it. It still looks pretty good. I'm proud of myself, even though I stayed up for hours doing this look. But yeah, I would say I did a really good job. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And that's just about it. Tell me any styles you'd like to see me do, and I'll try it, but I won't promise anything. And bye guys. Mwah.